Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday 28th March 2020. In this newspaper there are 6 Sudokus with 1 star, with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, binary and a tectonic puzzle. So we have a full Sudokus, and actually today it's not the 28th, but we are already in April, the 13th or the 12th. It's the 13th of April, but I need to catch up with those additional Sudokus, and I need the time to solve and to upload, so I'm a little bit behind. I think 10 days, so so let's get started. Alright, let's see with this Sudoku. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. I see there are 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2, should be this one. 2 in this row. 2 in the row above. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. I see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here and there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes. I marked the 2 here, so I know all the 2's are used. Then let's go to the number. Which number can I use? Number 4. Can I do something with the 3? Let's see. Can I do something with 3 and then 1, 3? Yes, I continue with this big square. 3 missing numbers. Now, one of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. Here also a 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. The 2 numbers left. The missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. And I see here in the last column, we have also 3 numbers. We have 3 missing numbers. One of the numbers is a 3, so this 3 cannot be filled in these 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here. The 1 goes there. Here the 2 missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here. The 1 goes there. These 3 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. I see here 5, so no 5 there. Here also a 5, so no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be here. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. White. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers are missing in this row for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 9, 5, 4, and 6. 9, 5, 4, and 6. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. The 4, 5, and the 6 are missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Can I fill these 2 or those 2? 4, 5, and 6. That means these 2 are the 7 and the 8. No, we have an 8 there. 7 and the 1. 7 and the 1. 7 and the 1. Remember that. I cannot fill this yet. 7 and the 1. That means these 2. 4 and the 6 are missing. I cannot not fill this yet. Need to wait. Can I fill? I can fill this 1 in this column. 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here and there. But I see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. Oh, and then 3. Yes, in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. I see there 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this column. The numbers are the 7 and the 6. 7 and the 6. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers. For the numbers 1, 9, and 4. I see here 1 and a 9, so no 9 and a 1 here in this box. Should be in those 2 as a pair. 1 digit left for the 4. Then the 3. No. Nine in this column, 9 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the 3rd row, 9 in the 2nd row, so in the 1st row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here and there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 9. I need more information. Then these 2 numbers in the 1st row for the missing numbers 1 and 6. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then these 3 numbers, the missing numbers are the 4, 5, and the 6. I see here a 4 and a 5, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. It should be in those two as a pair in a box. So one digit left for the 6. 4, 5, 4, 5. Remember that? Then yes, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 1 should be here and there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And 3. Alright. These 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 4 should be there, so the 4 should be here. 6 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7. In those two boxes, 7 should be there. And I still cannot fill the 4 and the 6 here. Need more information. But we have a 7. Because 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. See here 7, no 7 here, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And I think all the 7s are used, yes. Then can I do with the 3? Yes. No, the 3 I cannot. 6 and the 4. Yes, these 3 numbers in the first column. For the numbers 1, 4, and 6. 1, 4, and 6. I see here 1, 4. So no 1 and 4 in this box. The 1 and 4 should be here as a pair. So 1 digit left for the 6. 1, 4, yes. 1 digit left in this row for the number 8. 8 is missing. Then 8. 4 and 1, 4 and 1. That means these two numbers, the 9 and the 6, are missing. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. 9 and 1. We have now a 9, so no 9 here. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 here. 1 should be there. And the 4 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. 5 is missing, yes. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 1 missing number in the middle column for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 8, I believe, yes. 8 in this row, 8 in the first row, so in the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 is here and there. I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 here, 3 should be there. And the 5 goes there. One missing number in this big square for the number 5. 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 4 and 4 and 4 and the 1, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 4 and the number 6. Yes, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Yes, finish in 50 minutes. All right. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Thank you for watching again. So I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku with 2 stars. Bye bye for now.